Now, open the internet browser and search Putty. Then visit this official website. Next, click on this download Putty option and it will take us to a new page. From here, we need to choose the correct architecture. In my case, my Windows system architecture is 64-bit. So, I am downloading the 64-bit application. After completing the download, click on it to open this application. Then click on Next, again Next, and then go ahead with this installation option. After completing the installation, uncheck this README and finish the installation. Click on Start and search Putty. Then select Putty from here. And it will launch the Putty application. So this is how the Putty interface looks like. Now you can customize this application according to your needs. Click on Appearance and then select the Change option. From this font setting, change the font size to 20 and the font style to bold. By applying these settings, we can obtain a clear and organized view of the PyTerminal. Click on OK to finalize the settings. Select the session option and here you can log in and access your devices.